Okay, only a couple left. Let x be a random variable having standard deviation sigma. What can be said about x over sigma? And so we have some things to rule out. Well, nothing. It must have variance 1. It must have mean 0. It must have variance 0. Let's try some things. So here we have, what we're given is that variance of x is equal to sigma squared. So that the standard deviation of a random variable x is sigma. So let's think about x over sigma. Its expected value, remember we can factor things out of expected values. That's expected value of x over sigma. And we don't know anything about what expected value of x is, and we don't know anything about sigma other than it's strictly positive. So we can't say anything about the mean of x. It could be anything. Okay, now what about the variance of x over sigma? Well, remember when we pull a factor out of a variance, it gets squared, so that's 1 over sigma squared times the variance of x. Oh, but we wrote that down over there, that's sigma squared. So it's sigma squared over sigma squared, which is 1. Well, that was one of the answers, that it has to have variance 1. So let's try that. Must have variance 1. Submit. There you go.